Hello, students. Welcome to EdHuman. If you are also thinking about what you should be doing now and how to succeed in the upcoming exams, then this video might turn out to be really helpful for you. Because today we will be telling you 20 not so cliche tips to succeed in the exams. Just study, don't procrastinate. We all are well aware that procrastinating will not lead us anywhere, but we still tend to do it. Whereas studying definitely gives good results, so it's better to choose studying over procrastination. Draw up a realistic timetable which you think you can follow. Study frequently in short sessions and don't put a burden on yourself. Organize yourself. It's never too late. Clear your notes, clear your tabletop, tidy up your folders, and don't stress yourself out. Don't prioritize any one subject. All subjects should get equal time as they all are equally important. Study one practical subject like maths or physics and one theory subject like social science, biology, or chemistry together on weekdays. Study language subjects like Hindi or English on weekends. Remember, reading a book isn't studying, whereas revising the topics in the book efficiently counts as studying. Get familiar with the layout of exam papers. Some papers are tricky and complicated. Familiarity with exam papers can be achieved by solving sample papers and previous year exam papers. Understand what you are studying. Rephrase in your own words whenever possible. Remember, students who do well in exam don't just vomit up facts. They demonstrate real understandings. Don't talk about what study you are doing and don't listen to other people about what they are doing, as this may lead you to get panicked. When studying maths, you must know the proofs, theorems, and explanation of the vocabulary used in the question. This will definitely help you in solving the question. If you get stuck at a question, don't look up the solution too quickly. You will often learn more by tackling it on your own for a while, even if you have to read the solution in the end. Drawing a diagram or even a basic sketch can often be very helpful to get started in tackling a question and may gain marks for you. Homework is actually studying. It is recapping on what was taught on that day in your class, so never skip your homework. When you read your notes, select the keywords or phrases which will help you to remember what the topic is all about. Practice, practice, practice. Musicians practice their music, athletes practice sports skills. The same should go for learning as well. Try to quiz yourself the way the teacher asks questions. Study smarter, not harder. Studying for 2 hours inefficiently is waste, whereas studying just for 30 minutes but efficiently does makes a difference. Become your own teacher. Try to explain the material in your own words as if you are the teacher. You can do this in a study group, with a study partner, or even on your own. Stop multitasking. Multitasking is a myth. You may think you are killing two birds with one stone while multitasking, but you are actually forming poor study habits. According to research, multitasking extends your study time and ultimately may damage your grades. Study at the right time. Every student has his or her own daily highs and lows. Some people are night owls while some prefer the morning. Take advantage of the time of the day you feel the most productive and don't try to force yourself to study when your brain power isn't at its peak. Try to study when you are most alert so you are able to process and retain the information that you are studying. Knowing how to study effectively is a skill that will benefit you for life. If you follow these steps, you will be on your way of discovering which type of learning or studying works best for you. So you can knock your next exams out of the park.